Now that our machine is back together, we have assembled most of the parts. If you watched our previous video, showed you this starter was faulty. And there are some wires that came off, like these ones. You can see there was some friction. So it's now time to we replaced the starter. So replaced the starter and the rotor. So you can see this is another rotor. Used to one. These are different starter. So now it's time to test it. Maybe it's on some. Start with the spin cycle, then start. It is 1400 revolutions per minute. It will lock the door. Let's start driving. After draining, remember I showed you we replaced the spider. We also replaced the seal. Right now you can see it's working. The motherboard, the main PCB. We cleaned the fan. Initially it was sticking at 12. It could not pass 12. You see right now it's at 11. So it could not wash, it could not spin. Right now it's working. It needs a little maintenance. We need to clean it up. You see the dispenser is very dirty. Digital inverter technology. It's a Samsung EcoBubble 9/6 kg. That's the model number. 1400 revolutions per minute.